Welcome back to Out Here in the Garage. We're back working on this 1966 Ford Mustang coupe. Last time we were working on it, we were removing some flash rust and then treating it. And as the last video ended, I started sanding this quarter panel, got it sanded all the way down, and treated it with the metal prep, metal cleaner. And now what I'm going to do is start sanding it down, get us a good smooth surface, see if we've got any more rust that we need to treat. And then right in here, there's some damage, and I'm going to attempt to shrink that down and do some whatever body work I need to do to use as little filler as possible to fix it. So we'll make some noise. I'm going to start sanding on this. Safety equipment. All right, let's get to it. I've been sanding that with 80 grit. Now I'm going to go to 180. I want to try to slick this up a little bit before I put the shrinking disc on it. All right, got that sanded. Now we're going to get the shrinking disc. All right, first I'm going to clean this off. I showed you before, I got this wax and grease remover. Super color. Works good for me. It's organic based. I've had some before that was oil based, and sometimes I thought it gave me more fish eyes than I was preventing by using it. But this here is organic, and it seems to work really good. Probably soy based. Don't quote me on that. Probably 99% water. All right, now I've got that in position. Got it clean. Right in here, there's some previous repair where somebody had drilled holes to pull the dent out. That was the old school way to do it. A lot of other ways to do it now, and there's a whole bunch of them over here towards the door too that will have to be welded up, but that'll help. We'll start welding that. We'll shrink the metal at the same time. I got this shrinking disc attached to this big heavy grinder. There's a guy, he sells these on the internet. He invented them, I think. It's called the ProShaper. ProShaper Tools, Ray Schellens. Ray, sorry if I'm saying your name wrong. But I've been researching this and I've been wanting one. My wife wanted to know, what do you want for Christmas? And she hates to get me something that I tell her to get, but I'm like, that's something I could use, so she got it for me. And what Ray recommends is using the big wide Sharpie Max. You're using it as a lubricant, but you're also using it as your guide coat. This has got a big drag scratch. We're going to try to take some of it out in just a few minutes. So you mark the panel up real good. I need to get a wider marker like he suggests. And we're just going to keep on. You just keep on keeping on until you get it straight. What I'll be doing is heating this up with the disc and then cooling it down with some water. And just keep doing it over and over and you'll notice that this dent will come out. If you don't see it to begin with, you won't know, but it will come out. You feel with your hand, you feel the heat, you need to keep it cool. Now let's hit it again.